Be inspired and motivated. Whatever, if you want or you are interested, just comment below. Okay. Usually, gusto natin ng flexible na business, diba? That you can gain freedom, na you can have more time with your family, with your children. You can go together na walang oras na sasayangin. So, be inspired. So, if you are looking for an extra income, just message me or mag-sign up ka sa aking website. So, God bless.